When we gaze up at the night sky, we're met with a dazzling array of stars, planets, and galaxies, all making up what we know as the universe. It's vast, it's beautiful, and it's incredibly complex. But what if I told you that this universe, our universe, might not be the only one out there? Welcome to the world of the multiverse theory, a concept that takes our understanding of existence and multiplies it, suggesting that our universe could be just one of many, potentially infinite universes. This idea isn't just a flight of fancy or the stuff of science fiction. The concept of a multiverse plays a significant role in cosmology, the study of the origin and development of the universe, and in theoretical physics, the branch of physics that uses mathematical models to understand the nature of the universe. You see, the multiverse theory helps us answer some questions that our current understanding of physics can't quite explain. It's like a book with several layers, with each layer being a separate universe, with its own laws of physics and its own history. Some of these layers might look a lot like our own universe, while others might be radically different. For example, one universe might have a stronger force of gravity, causing it to evolve in a completely different way. Another universe might have different dimensions, making it unrecognizable to us. The multiverse theory is a way for cosmologists and theoretical physicists to explore the possibilities that lie beyond our current understanding of the universe. It allows them to dream big, to imagine not just what is, but what could be. And so, we dive into the world of the multiverse, a realm of infinite possibilities, a landscape of numerous realities. Let's get into it. The idea of the multiverse, that there could be more than one universe, is not a recent invention. It has roots that stretch back into the annals of philosophy and science. In fact, ancient philosophers, like the atomists in Greece, speculated about the existence of multiple worlds. They wondered if our world was unique, or if there could be an infinite number of worlds with life on them. Some very similar, and some very different from ours. Fast forward to the 20th century, and we meet Hugh Everett III, a physicist who proposed the many-worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics in 1957. Everett suggested that every time a quantum event happens, like a particle choosing to go one way or another, the universe splits, creating an alternate universe for each possible outcome. This was a revolutionary idea and played a major role in the evolution of the multiverse theory. Later, in the 1980s, Alan Guth and other cosmologists working on the theory of cosmic inflation, a theory explaining the rapid expansion of the universe after the Big Bang, realized that their equations suggested a possible multiverse. They proposed that our universe might be just one bubble in a frothy sea of other universes, each one a product of its own Big Bang. And then we have string theory, a branch of theoretical physics that proposes that the most fundamental building blocks of the universe aren't particles, but tiny vibrating strings. Some versions of string theory suggest the existence of extra dimensions and a multitude of universes, a multiverse. The multiverse theory has evolved, from speculation to a concept with scientific basis. The concept of the multiverse has captured the imagination of thinkers for millennia. Let's explore the idea of the multiverse, a collection of possible universes, in more detail. Physicist Max Tegmark has categorized these into 4 types, ranging from universes very much like ours to ones that are totally different. The first type, level 1, is just like our universe, but imagine it's only a tiny part of a much bigger space. Think of this as having many rooms in a huge house, with our universe being just one room. In this huge space, there are many other rooms or universes exactly like ours, and many that are different, all because of the infinite nature of this level 1 multiverse. The second type, level 2, has universes that are different from ours in fundamental ways. Think of each universe as a bubble. Each bubble has its own unique color, where color represents the laws of physics. So one bubble might have a different gravity strength or a different speed of light, or even more dimensions than ours. The third type, level 3, is all about choices and outcomes. According to quantum mechanics, every time a choice is made, the universe splits into different versions, each representing a different decision. So imagine there's another universe where instead of having pizza for dinner, you had a salad. The last type, level 4, is the most abstract. In this type, each universe is based on a different mathematical structure. Think of these as different building plans for different types of buildings. Each building plan represents a different universe. In these universes, even basic things we take for granted, like how a triangle looks or how gravity works, could be very different. Keep in mind, these are just ways for us to categorize and understand the many types of universes that might exist in a multiverse. They're also a reminder of how imaginative and curious humans can be. If the multiverse theory proves true, it's like finding out our universe isn't a single, standalone novel, but part of a vast library filled with infinite books, each telling its own unique story. Suddenly, the idea of reality becomes much more grand and complex. Imagine the concept of everything that can happen, has happened, or will happen, It's like flipping a coin. In our universe, it lands on heads, but in another universe, it landed on tails. Every choice, every chance, every moment branching off into its own universe. This has profound implications for our understanding of reality. What about time? We tend to think of it as a linear progression. You know, yesterday, today, tomorrow. But if multiverse theory is true, time might be more like a vast, sprawling tree with countless branches. In one universe, you might be a toddler. In another, a superhero. And in another, not born at all. Next up, consciousness and free will. If there are infinite versions of you out there, making every possible decision, what does that mean for our concept of self? It challenges our idea of individuality. It could mean that our consciousness, our sense of I, is just one among countless versions. Each version of you believes it's the real you, just like you do. And free will? Well, if every decision you've ever made, or will make, is playing out in some universe, it might seem like free will is an illusion. But it's crucial to remember that in each universe, you're still the one making the choices. They're just leading to different outcomes in different universes. The multiverse theory, if true, does not diminish our lives but rather magnifies them. We're not just a tiny part of one universe. We could be a part of infinite universes, each with a different story to tell. It opens up an entirely new perspective on reality, time, consciousness, and free will. So, what does this mean for us? Well, it's all purely theoretical at this point, but it certainly gives us a lot to ponder. After this journey across different possibilities, different realities, and various concepts that the multiverse theory offers, you might find yourself feeling a little small, perhaps even insignificant. You may ask, if there are infinite universes out there, do we matter? But here's an uplifting way to think about it. If there are infinite universes, then that means there are infinite possibilities. In some of those universes, someone like you might be making a difference, bringing about change, and advancing understanding of the cosmos. This doesn't make us insignificant. Rather, it highlights the boundless potential of every individual. Moreover, our existence here, in this universe, is a testament to the miraculous precision of physics. The very fact that our universe, with its specific laws of physics and cosmic conditions, allowed for life to exist and for us to ponder our place in the multiverse, is nothing short of extraordinary. The multiverse theory reminds us that we are part of something much bigger, something infinitely complex and beautiful. It feeds our curiosity and sense of wonder, inviting us to keep asking questions, to keep exploring, and to keep learning. It doesn't matter whether we can prove the existence of the multiverse within our lifetimes or not. What matters is that we have dared to imagine it, dared to extend our understanding of existence beyond our known universe. This embodies the essence of scientific inquiry and human imagination. So does the multiverse theory make our lives insignificant? No, it makes them infinitely fascinating. It is a testament to our capacity for exploration, for wonder, and for understanding the cosmos. We may be small in the cosmic scheme, but our curiosity and our thirst for knowledge are as boundless as the multiverse itself. So keep looking up, keep wondering, and keep exploring, because the universe, or should I say multiverse, is always ready to amaze you. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable journey. Until next time, stay curious.